Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to another vlog. So today's plan is that we are going to Brooklyn Beach and try to roam around there. So basically from last 2-3 days I was just doing photography because I was so addicted to the new Sony A7R III and I was liking to spend some time with it. So today I'm again back with the vlog. So let's go to the bridge and have some fun. Apartment which I stay has a coffee machine, so I'll prepare my coffee here nowadays. So I got some flavors which are from Starbucks, and I also got some milk flavors and sugar. So let me prepare a coffee and then we'll start on. Got some snacks. So, let's go. So today the weather is not that bad. It's cool, but there are little drops of rain is coming. But there are chances that it's going to rain. So the weather report says that there is a 40% of rain today. But I think I'll give it a try because I'm however going to be in the subways and going to be traveling in the train, so maybe that will not affect me. But I can't sit back home, so I'll go and give it a try because something is better than nothing. So I'll go give it a try and see how things will happen. So the train transportation name here is called as light trains. In New Jersey it's called as light trains, and in New York it is called MTA. The train which is connecting the both cities is called as path trains. Done with the light train. Now I'm taking a path train. So guys, we have finally reached our destination. So this station name is called as City Hall. So if you want to go to Brooklyn Bridge, this is the nearest station. From here you go by walk. So if you want to reach this station, you need to take a train with the word called R, which is in a yellow circle. Then you will be here. Guys, I want to drive those city bikes, but it's raining. No, I think I need to take a bus. Yeah, by the way, you can see there, that's the bridge. So I have been asking the bus drivers that any bus go over the bridge. But they say there is no bus which goes over the bridge, so I need to figure out a different transport. Yeah, it was not bad, but there is no much of a view. I thought from the top you have a view. Maybe if you do bicycling or if you walk, then you will have a view from the top. So I was thinking it was going to cost me much, but it did not cost me that much. So he just charged me $10. I think it's not bad. So finally I'm here, the other side of the bridge. It's cool and interesting. Now I'm hungry. Now I'll go have something. I got this 99 cents pizza. Yeah, it's not bad, guys. I got 2 of this, so it was $2. It tastes good. I think 2 slices will keep you running. Now we'll look at it on the streets here. Now I got some energy. So whenever you're here, don't forget to try this 99 cents pizza. Hey guys, I finally made a smart decision to protect my gear. So I bought this plastic cover for $3. So now I think my gear is protected. But yet the climate is not that good to take photos. But I'll try my level best to show the city over here. As you can see, it's raining. My mic and everything is getting messed up, but somehow I'm managing to vlog still. city which you are seeing is Brooklyn. So now I'm heading back home. It's already 5:30. So you can see I'm going to Manhattan now, and from there I need to take path train. It'll almost all take me about 1.5 hours. So maybe it's better I head back home because I came so long away. Hey guys, look where I crashed in. I was going to catch my train and I crashed into WTC Tower. It's great. Guys, this is the World Trade Center station behind me. Today I came here for photos. It looks more beautiful in the night. The coolest place I have ever been. This is my favorite spot. Really, when I come to this place, it feels like I'm in future. See how beautiful is this scene.
A giant tree, but then like in the background is a corner or something. It's like
that was an interesting class, guys, upon photography. So he was teaching about taking good pictures in iPhone and about some lightings, which is a great information. I stopped by so that I can find something new to learn. That's it. That's it, guys. I'm calling it a day. So it was not that productive. I could not get beautiful photos because there was no sunlight. As you can see behind me, so the whole New York is covered with the clouds and it was almost all raining all the time. Yeah, it was a good day for vlogging, but for taking pictures I was not satisfied because I was expecting to take some good photos when the sun was setting down. But I don't regret, I'll give it one more try. Maybe I got one cool photo which you can see in my Instagram. Overall, it's a good experience for vlogging in rain, and I also got to know how to prepare in the rain from the next time. But anyhow, guys, hope you have enjoyed the video and it was informative. So take care, bye bye, keep moving.